should have worn boots now.
Eh?
I feel like I should have worn boots now. Maybe, I'm not too sure. Yeah. I don't know if I step in the tiniest bit of fucking water, my foot is just going to get soaked. Because I use these in football and like fucking gravel. Look at them.
Oh dear.
Yeah. So if the slightest bit of water gets inside these, my feet are going to be fucking damp. I might get a trench foot.
You're going to get a bit moist.
Indeed. Indeed I will. On the flight side though, I got tunage. I was facing up to get fucking shot out.
Where are my fucking kids?
Your kids? Oh shit, I ain't got my glove.
Just hold that a sec, just so I can run back. Otherwise it's smack me. Respectable.
I'm just going to hide in here.
I don't worry, man. That's what I'm going to do most of the day.
I'm going to sit in the estate agents, man, because they do fuck all day.
Yeah, they do. They do. Yeah, you're not wrong about estate agents. They do just sit around and just.
You're a estate agent.
No.
Wait.
Every fucking body does that when they see the boobs. Range at all. I'm eyes that can't see shit at all. Right, I'm going to use your shoulder for cover. Oh yeah, the battery's dead on the side. I thought so.
Cover that side, boo.
I'll try my best with the eyesight I do can.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
If you're alright.
No, my mic's come off my little fucking dangly bit on the side.
Yeah, it does get a bit like that when it starts warming up.
They are coming from this direction as well, yeah?
Yes, all over the place.
Ah, sweet. Yeah.
Just assume.
Don't assume assumptions.
I meant to be wearing glasses, I can't see a distance. So
Eh?
I'm waiting there, like, in front of me.
Hold on, I'm coming in tight on this photo.
They're all the way beyond.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Well, I can't see it, I'm meant to be wearing glasses.
Alright, look a little bit tasty, lads. You're looking a bit soft here. Get some poses on.
Right.
Lovely. So get in a bit tighter, quick before it gets a bit tasty. No,
But
I can't
the armband.
Lewis,
Yeah. What's
can
up?
you? There's a little bit of. I can't do that to him.
Honestly, I'm just
What's
going
up?
to shoot
Where
it
do you
and
need
see
to
what
through? Where do you need this?
There's a little bit of a thing.
You want me to clip it to where?
There's a bit dangling down.
You,
Where is this? Here you go, that's a blue, that's a blue.
I can't see where this clips.
There's
Oh, here.
To the right, yeah. Straight down as well.
What about here?
no, there's a bit on the bottom of the thing dangling.
30 metres.
I'm just going to have to thread from here, so I can't.
I
I generally don't know what you're on about. Trying to help you, but I'm trying to do. Okay,
Put that in my bag for me. I can't believe I did that.
Can you get a shot on that?
Are you here?
Technically, I friendly fired Harley, so I should fucking.
To the right on them, to the right, they're all coming out. Look. I've hit him about 4 or 5 times. I know, I'm shooting that guy.
Just shoot them, they'll understand then. It might hurt them, but.
Guys, you've got to keep inside the village. Where's the Australian G at?
Oh, hello, Cod. Come on.
They are very much close.
We've got to stay inside the village, haven't we?
Here. You got to stay within here.
Okay. Wait, gunshots left. Gunshots left. Left, are they? Yeah.
They're trying to come around there, but they're not allowed.
I don't know if they're allowed. They're not allowed. Right.
Yeah.
I've seen some movement down there. No, no, they're dead. No, they are. Yeah, they're down there. Yeah, well, there's somebody you, big man. It's all you. Well, it's all me until they get close enough.
Yeah, that's when you got off.
Phone.
There's literally like 6, 7 of them down there.
Have you not got your pistol mag in, Lou?
Yeah.
No, you've lost it, haven't you?
I'm going back to spawn. No.
More in here.
So,
Yeah, it's just over there. Yeah, there. Is it possible for them to come through? Then I can just. Yeah, it sounds like it's getting a bit. How we doing? Good. No, we're not. A lot of miles that way. I almost made it to the car, but I died. Right, okay, cool. One's running around on the right and the other on the blue. Not blue, red. Far right. Go on then.
Hit! What are you reading? Fucking.
I just need to get some proper weights because at the minute they're not fucking flying straight.
What are you using?
I don't even know currently. Look, what? It would help if I fucking cocked it.
yeah, it would.
I can't even see where I'm going.
Yeah, right there.
I need to get.
Sweet, it's fucking.
Is that TM BSR or?
Fuck knows, I found it at work.
You found it at work?
Yeah. I work at a skip company and it was in the waste pile. Dad painted it, the site's mine.
Stand here and watch. Come in to help him. Nice one, brother.
In the bushes directly to my 11 o'clock. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah?